channel. Welcome back to my channel. I always do a snake because, like, yes, I was born in the late 70s, so I am like an 80s-ish baby, okay? And we always had like one shoulder off and a lot of snakes happening, so you just have to deal with it because, hi, my name's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if that's something you're interested in, then you should go ahead and subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? Nice to see you. Today we are doing another Wigs 101 wig tip video, okay? And we're going to be talking about 5 mistakes that make your wig look fake, okay? So if that's what you want to know, you have found it, and so let's do it. Let's just get to it. These are in no particular order. Number 1 is improper placement on the head. So the way that my natural hairline is, this is actually like my little widow's peak right here, but the way my natural hairline is that often wigs that have like baby hairs, I can't use them because I have to cut them back. This is a lace parting wig, but you want to make sure that the wig is in the right place to look natural. It shouldn't be too farther down than your own natural hairline, if that makes sense. You want to make sure that your wig is pulled down in the back as well. I feel like sometimes when it pulls up, it also doesn't look fake. For me, the kicker is this whole side profile thing. So if it looks weird from the side, that's what gives it away for me. Okay, but I think the most common mistake is not placing it right on the forehead, either placing it too far down, which would be like this, which, really, or having it be like way far back, which this could pass, but it, yeah, no. So you have to have it in the right place to look natural. Number 2 is not cutting the lace to your hairline. Yes, you can cut the lace. Let me get one that has lace. So let's check this girl out. So you can cut the lace to the knots, which is fine, but your hairline isn't like this. It's not like, okay? So I often cut the lace like maybe to here, so leave a little bit extra. Then I put it on and then I customize it to my head. So your lace may not look like straight because your hairline isn't necessarily straight. Next is not molding it to your head. When I put wigs on other people, that's the biggest thing that I do. I always do that in my videos. Like the wig cap is just coming the way it comes. Sometimes it's humpy, like from the package, but for me, I always, so long as it's heat safe, I always take heat to it and actually just run it down so that, do you see how it's like just, it's molding to my particular head shape? And when I have put a wig on one of my friends and then I put it back on, I have to sometimes put heat on it again because it's just not the same shape as my head. We all have different shaped heads, different sizes head and things like that. So I think it's always important to make sure that the wig is molded to your particular head shape. Number 4 is it's just simply the wrong style for your face. The wonderful thing about wigs is that we can explore with different colors, cuts, styles, and things like that. But the features of our face don't change. So I do have a full video about how to determine what cuts and what wig cuts will work with your face shape. Some people might call it an oval. Fortunately, that means that I can wear most styles, which is more fortunate for you because I can put on most styles for you and be able to work with them. But if you have a square face shape, triangular, a heart-shaped face, some wigs are just not going to look good on you simply because of the angles of your face. So please go check that video out. It could simply be that you just have the wrong style and cut for your beautiful face. And number 5 is it looks too perfect. For me, I always like to like wrestle it up a little bit. Do you see how it's wrestled up right here? Creating baby hairs. Maybe you want to gruff it up a little bit just because like your natural hair isn't like super perfect. So I like to like piece it out a little bit. Definitely around here, I like to gruff it up a little bit, tuck it behind my ears. You see that like that just looks way more natural than it would if it was like completely perfect because our hair just isn't perfect. Okay, that's what I have for you in as far as that is what I have for you for 5 reasons that your wig may look fake. Okay, if you have some reasons, please put them down below so that we can share and talk about that. If you like these types of videos and you have another topic you'd like me to do, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.